Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so wofre me Adwoa searching.
Beloved, good morning. I was on here. Mr. Onyokese. Happy New Year, Happy Christmas and Happy New Year. Everybody won shroud. We yesterday. Amen. I didn't see a prophet Edward Abadari. Wait me after me action man. My mention video we na yen to us.
So now become assembly. A dear Mayor Dr. Bomia Kroma. Also, why president? Oh, Kroma. We shall see. What's Yasama Quape?
Okay. Set multi video no. Reverend Owusu Bempa. Ena Nikoko Apai. What you say? Ni bua fuye. Ose afia so asenega kodi de natem. Ti odi ho abufuo eba Dr. Bawumia so. Yes, odi ho abufuo eba Dr. Bawumia so. Na Bawumia peso obeye president. And ye be hu. We shall see. All right. Owusu Bempa abiribia no okasa to said ye. Ewiase mutumi nyina ye ne dia. Owusu Bempa kasa te said ye. Onu nko na ye sofo Ghana ha nyame ama ne tumi apart from onu nyame ma sofo bi atumi. Owusu Bempa kasa te say tumi ekuta no a onu no huni se owo tumi ohuni se oye odifo onu no huni se wo kasa eba mu no ohuni se onu nko na ekuta sa tumi no obi enkuta sa tumi ne bi e wo Ghana ha. Owusu Bempa ma menka asem nkyerɛw obi ntage Owusu Bempa wo video wi mu. Owusu Bempa me hu se Owusu Bempa na first enim wo Kumase no. And there is no doubt. But I say I can tell you so Owusu Bempa who need to me back okora wo dey bibi. What you say? You can prophetic power, prophetic word you don't have one who need back okora. So susudwa wanum ne susu ye dede wo Ghana ha. So what you say? We say Bawumia say obeye president na ye behwe. Let me tell you something. Bawumia president or babeye no human being can stop that. Because Bawumia president is chosen by from above, and no human being can stop that. What you say? Maybe some certain thing I was so for me ye Christoni na me tank remoni echi. Medical catcher was say. The basi ye probia mana build the Ghana ma Ghana ye Ghana move work forward. Yen show bi o yen kremoni. Yen show bi o ye Christoni. Yen show bi o ya santini anase obi o yen northern. Ye show bi a se bi na adwene mu do. What you say? Na adwene mu do owo nimde wa ahobrase wo dwene nipa ho wa ahobrase ma nipa. Nanum kasa ede a obetimi abo o man de o man na kodum pempenso. Eno na ye hwe. What you say? Dr. Bawumia that all qualities. Me kasa I'm talking about. Dr. Bawumia that all qualities. Or sanyo man me boboso no. So what you say? Na Owusu Bempa menya wa adwene say apart from odunku na kweta power. What you say? What you say see and one kasa oba wa wono no. Wodi ni be gina asore dem say me no mienu nyina on yem professor. Nkom sha me she fra bofra no ho. Fra da ye wo no frita ma woni ne ma me wo no be si sa abere no wuntime nhye ba kokora. Otumi ne ni hobiem. What you say? So menya wa adwene say wo tumi bi a wo de ye bibi against Dr. Bawumia ye ya asofo na wonyankopon yi a kire ye say ye wo adifo atrofo bi wo Ghana ha ye wo adifo bi a omo de omo ye funu ina omo de na munti no ade ye ya de papa ma Ghana they will fight against it. Te me wo ho na Awurade bo me punum say me ka asofo no a wayi me say yen taba o me achi na yen kasama no na won fa ye so e ma Bawumia be ye Ghana president no. So we are not allow anybody to stop that kind of to stop Bawumia to become president. So what I see. So menya wa adwene said ye wo ye no ye nim de ekoso ye nim de ekoso osunsun ye nim de ekoso nsu ase ye nim de ekoso wa wiem ye nim bibia na ye na ye adwuma. What you see ye adwuma. So what that na ho na wudwa wanum say agrada sanchira be meye yi no na ye say wo na o me yejeri agrada na ana wo tumi bia be ka che joma ama so o me yi agrada na eye wan kasa wasem. What you see? Because Ghana ha, Omako school, a Biabe MPs, a Biabe president, a Jenico 20 kutom, low kings in a kutom, Tinamo, or my wintimin conanim. In Kentessa and Kubia Legon, Oxford universities, any those kind of things, you know, Embed now who should be pass solid them will say, oh, professor. What you see? A winnie says, some are working in Freddy. So what you see? A white general I would shem come, and my professor made me meet my will be a president. No, we should be pa. Come should be anywhere more be a president. Everybody knows, say 2016, now Banny Bessa. I'm a John Mohammed yet 34, said the amount for an American. What you see? So I see no be answering 2024 now Banny Bessa. So when come share any Varubia a wabatwa, Kukos or Ghana. I'm telling you. When come share, yes, a Ghana hano over 90%, you know. 90% or half of Ghana no omo looking adwene no wo fom. Sorry, adwene no wo fom. Nkentesa nko obi ntimi nkotena baabi. What you see? Emma obi a okosku nkoshe ne nanse enkase mayi passport afiri mi shoe mu na nipa na giedi. Adwene no wo fom lookings. So what you see? So usu bempa me ka kire wo ne, me ka kire wo kina. Se wuntimi stop Dr. Bawumia ma ne meye president. Who need to me? Yes, we need power be out the best stop Bawumia. The way and ye more than that. The way and ye yatra or okra de saw yakokra. O yakokra wo sisters mu e was a wutimi bo wale ye ho ban. Na wo hwa na wo wale said be ya wo ye older o ba bi betimatena wo ncha hwa. Ne na wo se tumi ekuta wo de hwehwe saade no. Na ja tu no ni dede na wo ye no TV so wo Ghana ha say Bawumia preso ye president ye be hwe wo ni tumi wo tenti a wo be hu de ye beto wo. In spiritually. So what you see? Because when you choose Dr. Bawumia, God has chosen Bawumia to become a president of Ghana, next president of Ghana, and nobody can stop that. No human being can stop that. What you see? So far, two trim. I say, asophobia, solid person, solitia, Dr. Bawumia, solitiano, any those kind of thing because of Nesuma will free. By a movie, I say. Dr. Bawumia will be about transforming the nation, about transforming the country. Ghana, Ghana, a binsi dano. I am ye actually, you better Dr. Bawumia, Chinia Kosobo, Paya, you soon soon your mamma. I say your mamma, I you soon soon your mamma, Bawumia, baby, really. I buy a year babatun generally 31st. Mr. Mensuru kwaneko to waba toma no matre sunsumu nyoma ne de jama odifo abadare ene asofo ayaka ye yehu adwuma obi ene obetimi asori atia di wonyame yaka Dr. Bawumia be lead NPP Dr. Bawumia be lead Ghana ye 2028 abi bia ene obetimi ayede asesa saade no nyame nhira wonye okese nyame yadomo a 31st all night e baso prophet action say uni wo Ghana ana uni Ghana ba bia wo bia so obetimi abasa wontimi mba see me here. Yes, I are quanchra abba. Ye dim dwine. What you are saying, dwine back 32. Yes, sacrifice be a spiritual sacrifice. What you are saying. Yes, suma quanchra, yes, suma quanchra, yasem kotwa. Yes, some one a man in 2 never cost on a yes, suma quanchra. So, TM, you did for Badari. Maybe I will be able to me joining that 31st powerful all night na EBC. A prophet action the day anymore. Ubetimi join by contact me na joining. What you say joining? Yen cross over every nyoma ye firm 2025 yare ahokyere walija ye nyoma bebra ye firm yen cross said ye be ya 2026 no nyoma papa nko ani bi hu de o firm e yawa wo firm no wo firm 2026 nyoma papa wo firm 2025 no ebe increase aye more. And until me say contact prophet action or D4 action. You know how to contact me. Wo TikTok chat me private chat na nim kwan ya be oni me be contact nyame nhira wonye okese join na wa brabo enye sade biala da next year ube hu kanea e wa brabo mu ewrade wo nhira wonye okese koto abama Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia asof obi ani tumi obe stop sade me si ja ho ne maye what you see nyame ya baba
na de bia wusu bempa wa sorry and I in Kukubu is you know. People grow out of it. What sorry mano, apart from politics, any social media gossip, DM, how do you impact them? How are you growing them? So you're kung fu, so you're deal. de bia na odi atem also usu bempa hwe Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wenyi he's grown in politics and economics why yebi Ghana why dien why ama Ghana apart from fake prophecies dien pa no why ama Ghana nkrofo de o ma hoodin build Ghana no wo de wa hoodin raw draws akese eto akese na wo de fru wa hoodin nyina wo de afro ma na de bia ne ma eko na de bia wo threaten ma nyame wa ma so obeye saa wo nti mimi nyi ni se nyame adwuma na obeye ye no ma men kan kiro se wunnim na wo don sem ko Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia solo no ne hoyi de atwamu no emre sa mre na atwamu o she bi ye oni obi anya ni oni pakro na nka ukoka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye betie si woso won say anointing e wo na yira eko o sorry ai na ukom aden na wonhu ohia ni abeni e ba Ghana so na wonsa aden na wonko hospitals na wonmoa aden na akunafo ne nkrofo yare wonmoa won na de bia opu chese wo de o prophecy nyina ye politics na politics no yenim nkrofo research ubusa se yemfa ma findings no na wa begina aka we know all sa Ghana 1 Ghana 2 awoye owusu bempa nti oda let's now see yemfa nkoma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no hwema on view odie why say odi we futam bia no pa adwuma bi ye why bobra pa so nyame papa ne jai tricks no sisi akonfo kra omukom yie obeye hia ye hye jai motoro mujo no obeye nwa yenyu ne jai motoro mujo no ne makacho stay of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 31st bebe tro ne no ma unhu da o koda so na usuro so beda mene wa kade ato agrada me de besu nyansa ye nyina ye wo ba bi ko ye nyina obi ani ho so chembra no na mra no so mu a eso mu kakra na se okai se ne na wusu wo true tantrums na wo pacho no ye chow naked the cow boxes no so okay obi a wo ba bi ko so just be careful.
Okay, Bushafo, and made a quick one. We mention me combine 2 videos abom. Ya papa ose kwa me despite na Same Jamfi. Same Jamfi ma menka se mention quick one. Me catch on be video maybe say wo NPP be ba power no bedem. But o performance within 9 months no 1 year no ame won say what twem e wo Jamestown prison. Wo de in someone kura what twem wo. Same in 9 months, wait me at the Ghana for $214 million. Ya can't when you're no person ya can be. Same $214 million US. I can't about to good board. Same Jeffy 9 months, 1 year pay my. That's $1 is not the ma agrada and a big one. $1 now the good man and now watch check. It within short time no $214 million what they are saying. Same. What can we Ghana for? $214 million. That's why you have to say the idea over them. Yes, I did next year and the other years now. Can you want to pay crab fast or better cover says scannership? The other my girlfriends had to iPhone man and I didn't. But says can buy $214 million an audio. Now good board budget cry they got to home
I think it was around $270 million. So it's kind of buy the ma no. What bomuka $240 million? That's it's can buy the money. We didn't say no. Calculation by Ghana for say, and what imagine foreign exchange, but Ghana for Hormone Tiasia. The woman nana say $270 million in the man. No tono. Iti ekwane so fele okatan akwa kra no abakumase wakwa kra no abakumase na auto petrol gum na ukoba at the end of the year na car na ye adwuma sen a osima $240 million. Iti petrol do auto ye no ene sa $3 billion na o kan wasem. But in faso onya ye ne de $240 million ka no boy. This car na adema sa me je fi so onya adwuma ka auto fuel $3 billion. And all year Juma Boka $214 million. Very simple explanation. It's a Ghana for so most had need too many year more answer. Manuel Siwaha. I feel papa despite. Or say Kwame despite. Respect to be brave. Many I just said oba out by Kasaya. Na me who say Sabu Ukita Kumapa. Na a man I attack you when I would dim the cap up on Tino. O man ba attack you keku. Who's a multimedia ho? Angela from ho. Radio stations be Ghana. I didn't know despite him going to attack you. Because in Crophobia wa employer a good despite media one. Asamu ba. Se do musika sana obaka say omu ni obi okasa kire mo adwuma mu. Emi be na me fia so say be didi watem poto because akwa ba kwa na watu ani tika kaka so agye adwuma yi. Akwese boaje. Nsem bi okeka fa fia so as nega ho e ma obedidi watem because when so obedi watem dia obete. The same thing ena akwese boaje kuro ya. Any kwabnamafo Kwame Nkrumah tikese MCI yeboa mo Kwame Nkrumah tikese timi tra o ka say papa shi abodam o wa se mbuwe ahụ papa shi abodam fo the same radio station ya so kwabnamafo kotena so no kama me kosua se wa ho asempoto nya wana o yare on tra ho na ho na befa kasa mami ho poto MCI yeboa any Samu United Showbiz one day obaka say chese wona wa small mo say mo beka say wo adobroni eh mama say wa ho fi be na o ka say mu chese mama no nim no from beginning of that lumba papa eti wo dia wonya hwio na o media house no na man crop ma no me hwa o madwen a ene mo ba attack because o media house no na platform a o mo na kasati ama me ni nyina across the country despite media pen na o mo try ti papa ma wadwen ko ho na wo bre apesika no sankofo no wa employ mo no mu nya bankuma na ni fam me metie ya me bre wa kwantu mi ti nya me adu o che bi ma ye ya na me workers bi esa me din a me yi wadi fast me ba so straight man tra ho anyi wani man tra ho anyi we broni bi no be sa de broni de adwuma ne de ama cha bo che me bo mo nka o cross line o be yi wadi sia but what jawom eno ma se ntwamwa eno mugu ho eno mo kasa di atem papa panyi tikase emi bi me personally me send no audio message attack no because on your platform Kwame Nkrumah tikase bi kwan ema akwai Kofi Adams didi na na do attempt at the tonum na Kwame Nkrumah tikase na obisa Kofi Adams o birthday na na do birthday ene na assemble na o de be man na Kofi Adams start here use West what did papa natam as I make 2015 another birthday Kwame Nkrumah tikase aware of this meaning no audio yes tenyi ayima o block me